Hi all, this is Ashutosh from ProdEgyIAS. Constitution versus Constitutionalism. As you know, Constitution is the fundamental law of the land. It's the document which governs the political system. It is created by political contract. That is what Constitution is. Contract between citizens and the state. Constitutionalism, on the other hand, is a philosophy, the guiding spirit behind the creation of a constitution. That is what we need to be governed by a rule of law, not by arbitrary rule or arbitrary whims and fancies of the people. So constitutionalism is the philosophy, it is the basic idea. There is positive constitutionalism, that is, we want people in power to do certain things for us, for welfare, for public interest, for betterment. Negative constitutionalism is the idea where we want to restrict the power of the people and not allow them to do certain things. Constitutionalism can exist without constitution, and constitution may be there without constitutionalism, right? We'll further talk about it. Thank you so much.